Occasionally, you'll want to create classes whose data can't be changed. In other words, you want the data within them to be immutable. Python data classes make this possible by specifying an argument to the data class decorator. So let's go ahead and open up the immutable underscore start file. And you can see here I have a simple data class definition with a couple of attributes, along with some code that creates the object and prints out an attribute value. So let's go ahead and run this to make sure it works. And in the output, you can see that it works, right? My class gets created, and then value1 gets printed out. So let's go ahead back to the code. To make this class immutable, I can set the frozen argument to true in the data class decorator. So I'll just simply write frozen equals true. So this now prevents any of the attributes in the class definition from being modified. So I'll try to add some code now to do exactly that. So I'll go ahead and put obj1, and then I'll try to change the value of the value1 attribute to another value. And then we'll print that out. So let's go ahead and try to run the code now. And when I try to run the code, you can see that I get a frozen instance error. And you can see the explanation says cannot assign value to field value 1. So this also prevents modification within the class itself, not just from outside the class. Let's go ahead and add a function to the class, and I'll define a method named sumFunc. And that'll take the object and a new value. And we'll set some new attribute value on value 2. All right. And then down here, we'll try to call the function with a new value. And let's go ahead and comment that out because we know that that doesn't work. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to run it once more. And then once again, you can see I'm getting the same frozen instance error. So creating frozen data classes can be useful when you want the class to represent data that you know isn't going to change. And with the data class decorator, that's really easy to do.